sitting at 220 right now.
You gonna send it?
I don't even think it'll make it. It'll blow up through the race. There's nothing. I literally like mashed on it, and it was just like.
Click on the Chrome Denver YouTube channel. You should do it too, because we promote getting addicted to happiness.
It's a race day! Well, we made some changes to the car this week. We now have an oil pressure gauge, so that's nice. Now that that works, and we're not leaving that up to the wise one. Still don't really know why it's overheated. We changed water pumps. We're gonna see what's happening this week, I guess. We didn't get it didn't get up over temp during our testing this week, so we're gonna see how it goes this week. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. We changed heads. I think we got a spicier cam, so potentially we'll have some a little more push out of the hole, which is what the car definitely needs. Oh yeah, I should probably address the elephant in the room. We didn't go racing last week. It was partially because, well, I mean, it kind of worked out in our favor because the car was in a million pieces. It rained, so we're gonna race in the rain. It was thunder and lightning. Oh yeah, there's bus racing tonight.
We thought that was going to be 2 weeks ago, but there's nothing here, remember?
Oh yeah.
I thought it was going to be bus races,
true.
but it wasn't.
Yeah.
It was just a fucking tour.
It wasn't. It was just a...
So that's legitimate bus races now.
Oh, there's a legit bus race
Oh,
this
that's
week.
going to be epic.
Yeah, yeah.
What the hell, boy?
We fixed our bodywork damage after that accident that we didn't cause. Let's go racing.
Bring a little shake and
bake. Take a bake. Take a bake. Space, like it's fucking nothing there. It's falling on space hard.
oh, tons.
What? 45, $5 grand, that's it. Like it's just like, and there's no like. Lots of juice down there.
Definitely getting fuel. 2 months. Maybe it needs more RPM. Would be nice.
busted!
We're coming to green, drivers 6-5 top 6 qualified.
It'll blow up through the race. It's fucking, I literally like mashed on it and it was just like. But it seems really weird to me that when you come into four and you're accelerating, it's just fucking buh. Because like I can come into 1 and 2 and that's fine. It's slow as fuck, but it's fine. It's not breaking up as bad. But then coming down the straightaway, I'm just like fucking. I got my arm on the fucking cage and I'm just doing one of these. I mean, we could bring the fuel down on the regulator. It still doesn't explain our cooling. Scoo, you want to pass me the spark plug fucking socket in there? See if it is that one.
Come on, just a preliminary check, boys.
I can't fucking. Okay, ready?
Yeah, I still good. Here?
Yeah. Sure.
See the corner. Pow, pow.
go, hey!
Lucky.
Got her this time, boys!
Front row fires together at the blue zone. 6 laps, take 6. Yellow's out, guys. Bring them high in 3 and 4. Yellow's out. Left 3 is flat, 79. Yellow, 77, you can take to the pit for that action. Not necessary. Actually, guys, everyone stop right there on the back. We got a ton of debris in turn number 3 and 4.
Pretty sure the motor's food now, so we're done for the night.
Pull the engine out, put half of one in. Yeah. Might as well pull the rest of it out.
Apparently we should have done a little bit more test and tune over the week.
Man,
hey?
You did that bad, you can't take the green for your 40 bucks.
Yeah. I might be able to. I couldn't get the fire back up. Maybe if I can get it to fire up and roll it over.
Do something to take 1 lap, point at 40 bucks.
Yeah.
Right? If you don't do nothing, like, do something to get it going.
That's true.
You got 10 minutes, so.
Yeah.
I don't know if it didn't blow up. Oh, did it?
It's down below.
Yeah.
It feels like 3 cylinders. Yeah. Well, as long as I can hit
like,
the,
yeah, if you can stay with the pace lap. Right?
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
And then just hit the green and...
Yeah. Big 1 lap.
True, it's not...
No, we're not pushing around the fucking 1 lap.
I'll do it. Why not?
I'll do it. A little dedication.
Yeah, right?
You won't, but I will.
It hit like 240
Well, let's
last
just try and
week.
get it running on the trailer.
Yeah.
But if it's... I don't know.
You debating
I'll do
about
it.
whether or not you're going to try and get in the finals or not?
Let's
No,
go.
no,
He's in.
it's just a matter of
taking one lap.
taking the green, and you know.
Are we on it?
Let's
on
try
it.
and fire it.
Let's get on it. Never lose hope.
One lap for the boys. Just gotta take the checker. Take the green.
Smell it. You know what's positive is that the grinding of the tires today really helped you stick at low RPM in the corner. Epoxy handled good, man. So that was totally worth it, and it was a top 5 finish.
You finished the top 5 too?
Yeah, because 2 other cars got kicked out.
Yeah.
A win's a win, come on!
Right.
I'm actually not as upset as I usually am when I come off the track. Because the last time I went back out there, I figured it was done. The universe is telling me it was done. So I guess we're building a motor this week.
You know what's cool? You blew up a motor today.
Thanks to me.
Look at it in a positive light.
I had that one really, just check that one off the list.
Don't worry about it. Maybe an angel investor will come and fucking poof a couple of dollars into the fucking Hot Rod Association.
I don't even know what to say.
Apologize to everyone.
Sorry to everybody, I suck so much. Nah, whatever, we're gonna have to build a motor. We're planning on building a motor anyways. Which means it's gonna get expedited. Check online to see if we can find some, like a good to go, ready to run motor. Cost me a little bit more of nut up front, but need a motor. Hang out, we're gonna watch some bus racing later on, and then, yeah, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below. If you have a motor, hit me up. Go back to my old, buy a race car, racing's fun. We'll see you guys next time. Like I said, comment down below, like, subscribe. All the racing stuff is doing very well compared to all of our other stuff, so we really appreciate that. If you guys could, you know, share the stuff, spread the word, support your local dirt track, go see some racing. It's a good night of cheap fun. Bye.